I was very fortunate recently to be invited to talk at the Japanese Society for Replacement Arthroplasty in Tokyo. I took my wife with me. The venue was at the Tokyo International Forum. We were looked after really well by our hosts. Did some shopping, saw some amazing things, and of course went to the fish market and had sushi for breakfast. No trip to Japan is complete without doing some karaoke. Here we are with the faculty and the chairman of the meeting. I sang Lying Eyes by the Eagles. Japan's an amazing country. I'm really looking forward to going back there again. As always, if you have any comments or questions, please get in touch. See you all again soon.